Okay, in this video, we're going to look at solving a fraction word problem using a linear equation of the form ax equals b. I'll do two examples with you. It says Austin is on his way home in his car. His drive is 8 miles long. He has finished 1/4 of the drive so far. How far has he driven? Well, it's a good idea to try to write an equation for the situation. Usually the dead giveaway for an equation when you're reading a sentence is the word is. Is means equals. So it's saying his drive is 8 miles long. So let's just call however long his drive is, which I don't know. We're just going to call the letter D. Let's just say D equals 8. Okay, that's his drive is equal to 8 miles long. Now over here it says he's finished 1/4 of the drive. How far has he driven? Well, so taking into account this information, if we take 1/4 of the drive, which is, remember, we called the drive D, all right, and the word of usually indicates multiplication. So if I take 1/4 of the drive D, that should tell us what we want. But now we know that the drive is 8. So if we do 1/4 of the 8, which is how far the drive is, 1/4 of 8 is 2. So how far has he driven? He's driven 2 miles. Right, 1/4 of the way, 1/4 of 8 is 2 miles. For example 2, it says Kareem needs to memorize words on a vocabulary list for Spanish class. He has memorized 24 of the words, which is, there's that key word, I'm going to think equals 3/4 of the list. How many words are on the list? Well, he memorized 24 of the words, so 24 of the words, which is, that equals 3/4 of the list. So of means multiply. The number of words on the list, I don't know. I'm going to call that L for how many words are on the list. So I have 24 words, which is or equals 3/4 of the list. Now, to solve for L, I have to get rid of multiplying by 3/4. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. I'm going to multiply both sides by 4/3. So 3's cancel, 4's cancel, and on this side I have just the list, L, on its own. And then over here, 24 is the same as 24/1, and if I want to multiply that by 4/3, I can first divide 3 into 24. That's 8 times. 4 times 8 is 32. So the number of words on the entire list is 32, which makes sense, by the way, because he had memorized 24 of the words, which wasn't all of the words, it was 3/4 of the words. So if you took 3/4 of 32, we'd get the 24 words that he has memorized. It kind of all makes sense. So hopefully you can set up an equation that you can use to help figure out what it is that you're looking for here. Good luck. Thanks for watching.